we'll guide you through how to set up WooCommerce payment integration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the WooCommerce section on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings and then move over to the Payments tab. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. You'll want to enable the ones you plan to use, like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfer. To set up a payment method, click on Setup next to the one you want. For PayPal, you'll need to enter your PayPal email address and API credentials, which you can find in your PayPal account under API Access. For Stripe, you'll need to enter your publishable key and secret key from your Stripe dashboard. Make sure to save the changes after entering the required details. If you want to offer a custom payment method, click on Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to configure it. Once you've set up your payment methods, consider doing a test transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can do this by placing a test order on your site and checking if the payment goes through. If you encounter any issues, double-check your API credentials and settings or consult the WooCommerce documentation for troubleshooting tips. Remember, setting up secure payments is crucial for your online store's success, so take your time to ensure everything is correctly configured. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.